Self-motivation is, in its simplest form, the force that drives you to do things. The ability to motivate yourself is an important skill. Keep going in the face of setbacks. Take up opportunities and show commitment to what you want to achieve. Helping and developing your self-motivation can help you take control of many other aspects of your life. Daniel Goleman is the author of several books on emotional intelligence, telling us what 4 elements make up motivation. Those 4 elements are personal drive to achieve, commitment to goals, initiative, which is readiness to act, and optimism, which is the ability to keep going and pursue goals in the face of setbacks, also known as resilience. Personal drive to achieve is step number 1. There are 2 types of mindset. Number 1 is fixed mindset. And this is those that believe that talent is ingrained and we cannot change our level of ability. However, growth mindset is a belief that you can improve your skills through hard work and effort. Research shows that those who believe they can improve, who have a growth mindset, are far more likely to achieve in whatever sphere they choose. The second area is commitment to goals. There is considerable evidence that goal setting is really important to our general well-being. If you aim at nothing, you will easily achieve it. Most importantly, we need to also set SMART goals for ourselves. And these will be talked about in a later video, how to write SMART goals. The third area that they want to talk about is initiative. Initiative is effectively the ability to take advantage of opportunities when they occur. It is easy to hesitate and then you may miss opportunities. However, it's also important to think things through and ensure you're making the right decision for you. We need to look at things such as courage and risk management. Courage is necessary to overcome the fear of the unknown, and risk management is the selection of the right opportunities for yourself to consider with an appropriate level of risk for yourself. Step 4 is optimism or resilience. Optimism is the ability to look on the bright side or think positively. Resilience is the ability to bounce back after a setback or keep positive in the face of challenges. While the two are closely related, they are not exactly the same. Resilient people use their ability to think of a way to manage negative emotional responses to events. In other words, they use positive thinking. And they're also prepared to ask for help if necessary and offer their help to others. And finally, obligation is tied to your moral stem. It comes with your sense of duty and your sense of what is right and what is wrong. Developing your self-motivation is a life skill we all need to develop and is applicable in both academics and personal goals.